Since last year, we are enjoying peace in Delta State, and we commend all the security agencies. But a fortunate thing happened last week that people who doesn't know, have knowledge, start talking. The two community in question, they have having issue for years, and last month on the 7th of February, they were invited by the state government, where the two communities, the members representing those two local governments, the council chairman, and the leaders of those communities. And they agreed to work together, and they signed peace accord. When this thing happened, unfortunately happened, it was very sad, because Delta State is governed within the tenet of rules and law, rules of law and decency. So what happened is not in line with what we are doing in Delta State, because I have promised Deltans that I'm going to be governor for all Deltans, and we have been enjoying peace. And one of my more agenda is that I will enhance peace and security, and that's what we have been doing. So I decided to come here to brief Mr. President of all the things we have been doing to maintain peace. And Mr. President has assured me that the peace, as in support of the peace. And we both condemn the killing of the officers and the soldiers, because they are there on peace mission. And what is happening now is something that we did not bargain for. But we want to assure everybody that there will be no more attack on the villages. If there's anyone that has happened in the past, there will be no attack. But we know that those who are culpable will be brought to book. But innocent citizens will not be attacked. Well, first and foremost, the community people, the place has been deserted. So the issue was whether you've been able to see the community leaders. No. I've not been able to. So we only gotten full briefing from the army, and we're on it, because this week the National Council are going to meet and discuss. I'm going to invite stakeholders. We're on top of it. You know, when something happens like this, it's always easy to manage the tension. Yesterday, I was in that local government. I was in Bomadi yesterday for a security meeting to get full details and briefing. So some of those issues are security issues that you can't say publicly. That's the truth. And we're managing the situation. So the issue of whether a place has been burned down or people have been killed, it has happened. But the way forward, what is the way forward? The way forward are two ways. The people that have been killed, the officers and soldiers, we must see how we can find succor for this family and all, and giving a befitting burial. And also the community, anything that has happened in the community in the past will not happen again. We assure them, but the people who are culpable will be brought to book. We had a meeting yesterday with the security heads, where the commanding officer, general commanding officer of 6th was there. The JTF commander was there, was in attendance. We've all agreed. All the security agencies are putting heads together. We're on the same page to fish out the real culprit, because innocent people will not suffer from it. And they have assured that no innocent person will be victimized. Thank you, Excellency. You know the terrain of that place, the Okuama terrain. You must go by boat. Where I visited was Bomadi.